All right, so trying on some of the YSL pieces. So here is a medium tank, and this collection has a lot of lace detail. It's very sheer. You can see the fabric here, incredibly sheer. It is comfortable. I think overall, the shape of it is pretty nice. It is not adjustable. No, not adjustable straps. So if you did need this taken in, it's going to be fixed that way. And I know that there's a long sleeve piece with the same detail because I saw it on Farfetch. So I'm going to be asking about that I showed you in the intro. What you're going to notice is that I don't have any idea what the price is because the tag fell off. It doesn't have the price. It just says the color, the season, and the size, the end. So they don't want us to know, which is never a good sign. So this is kind of falling off here a bit, right? So maybe a small would be better. So I'm going to keep trying these tops and the jacket, and we'll see what we think. All right, tags and all. This feels way, way, way more comfortable. Very nice, light stretch knit. This is an extra small. So that last one was a medium. It actually did have adjustable straps. It was a medium. Kind of falling off a bit here, not great fit. This is an extra small. So, I mean, we're talking 3 sizes apart. Does it tell you like the difference in how much you have to try stuff on at these designers? It actually drives me nuts. I think there needs to be more size consistency so we know what the heck we should even go for, especially at companies like Chanel where we have to pre-select our items and get on a list, and then you get it and it's like this big and it's a size medium. So, you know, they really need to do a better job, in my opinion, of that. Anyway, so this is the tank and what it looks like. It's just a very straightforward tank. Feels super nice on. I think that's a big difference between that and many others that I've tried, and what would set it apart from, you know, like a $50 or $70 tank that we could pick up on Instagram. So I'll try on the next piece. All right, so this is another version of the same tank. It's a size small instead. I'm guessing it's the same price, but there's no tag. And the reason it's a pass for me is, as you can tell, the logo here, it looks fine, looks good, but it's way too sheer. So to try on all of these clothes that I try for the channel, I wear these little stickies. It's much easier than trying on and changing 20 different bras when you're trying on so many pieces of clothing. So if I can't wear nude stickies under, it's not an option. There's no other option for me. So this would unfortunately be a return or something I would not purchase. And only for that reason, it's just too sheer. A little bit thicker material, they would have had me on this one, but it's a no-go. So now I'll try on the next piece. All right, this is the next piece. It's a blazer in a 36. It's about $4,000. Too pricey, too thick, and way too small. So I can't, any of us who are large chested, not happening. Here's what it looks like. It could have been a really cool fit and design. I love the pockets, but it is way too tight. Like I can't even try it on. So there's one more piece I'll try. 2 pieces I'll just show you. I'll just hold up. They're not something that I'll be able to try on in this little space. The pants are so long, it'll be like this much longer to my leg. So let me show you the last piece and then we'll get going. All right, this is a trench coat. I'm having the same issue with the 38. So hard to get my arms. It's gonna be hard to get them out also. It's just too tight. And I'll show you what it looks like. It's got a cool sheen to it. I can barely hold my hands up. It's got a cool sheen to it and it has a cool shape, cool design. It's $5,000, which is, you know, it's just too much for what it is in my opinion. Actually kind of reminds me of an old Burberry piece that I had that I loved. It got torn on an airplane, so bummer. But let me show you what this one looks like. So it does have the belt here, nice shape to it, nice pocket, but it's very uncomfortable to wear. The fabric is crazy hot. Like it doesn't breathe kind of hot. You know, if it were leather or silk, maybe a better, not so thick silk, it would have been nicer, but the execution was just not so good on this one, unfortunately, in my opinion. Let me show you the 2 pair of pants and then we'll be wrapped up. All right, so here's the pants that I will not be trying. Like, I'm not kidding. If I put these to my 5'4" frame, there is 2 feet of fabric at the bottom. So not an option to try them on. They're really heavy in terms of the fabric and the feel, like not a nice feel. These are a 38. Price continues to be a mystery and evade us. I don't know. It doesn't have it. So, but this is what they look like in case you are looking for them. I can show you at least. That will wrap up my very first YSL video. So hopefully we will have more when there's maybe spring, summer, and the pieces are a little bit lighter, but I'll continue to bring you what I do find. Have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and thank you for watching.